Hi, welcome to M&M English Bite Size. I'm Nikki, and today we're going to learn about the past perfect tense. Now this tense is really helpful when we want to talk about something that happened before another action in the past. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to form the past perfect tense and when to use it. So, let's dive in. The past perfect tense is used to show that one action happened before another action in the past. You can think of it as the past of the past. When telling a story, we often need to show that something happened earlier than something else. That's when the past perfect tense comes in handy. For example, by the time we arrived at the cinema, the movie had already started. She had finished her homework before dinner. In these sentences, we're talking about two actions. One that happened first, which is in the past perfect tense, and another that happened later, in the simple past tense. Now let's learn how to form the past perfect tense. It's really quite simple. What you need is the past tense of the verb to have, which is had, and the past participle of the main verb. So here's the formula: had plus past participle. Let's look at some examples. I had eaten before they arrived. The past participle of eat is eaten. They had gone home before it started raining. Gone is the past participle of go. She had seen the movie already. Seen is the past participle of see. All you need to do is use had and the past participle form of the main verb. That's easy, right? So let's talk about when to use the past perfect tense. Here are the main situations. The first one is to show that one action happened before another action in the past. After I had finished my homework, I went out to play. Finishing homework happened before going out. To explain a reason or cause of a past action. She was tired because she had worked all day. Working all day explains why she was tired. We use the past perfect to show that something started in the past and continued up until another action in the past. By the time Alex finished his studies, he had been in London for over 8 years. And we use the past perfect with time expressions like by the time, before, after, already, just, etc. By the time he called, I had left. She had just finished her meal when the phone rang. These examples show how the past perfect tense helps us talk about sequences and reasons in the past. Okay, let's practice. I want you to change these sentences to the past perfect tense. I will give you 3 sentences. You can pause the video, you can write it down in your notebook or try speaking if you're confident to do so. Then restart the video and I'll give you the answers. So the first one, I to finish my work. Number 2, they to leave before I arrived. And 3, by the time she got home, we to eat dinner. So use what you've learned just now and change these sentences to the past perfect tense. How did you get on with those sentences? Well, here's the answers. Number 1, I had finished my work. Number 2, they had left before I arrived. And number 3, by the time she got home, we had eaten dinner. You're doing a great job. Remember, the past perfect tense is all about actions that happened before another action in the past. That's it for today's lesson on the past perfect tense. Remember, this tense is useful when talking about actions that happened before other actions in the past. It helps us tell stories clearly and show the sequence of events. Now, let me give you some extra practice before I go. And I give you some sentences where you have to fill in the blanks and some more to rewrite the sentences. So leave your answers in the comments, okay? And if you're right, I will let you know. And if you're wrong, I will let you know also. So here they are. Number 1, by the time we got to the station, the train to leave. Number 2, they were sad because they not see the show. And rewrite these sentences. I arrived at the party, he left. She read the book, she watched the movie. Thank you for learning with me today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more lessons. Try these ones, leave your answers in the comments, and I'll see you next time.